Yeah, it's me, Pauline Just Living. This is what happens in a tropical Hello, it's me. Hello. So what I'm doing, this is what happens when you dry your hair, and a tropical country does this to your hair. Oh, so what I'm to do is I'm going to use this, and I am going to spread it like that, from here to here, here, and here, and this, and this. I am going to use this, and I'll be right back. Let's see what happens. I guess I managed to do an okay job, and yeah, I think it's okay. See, I got my curls. It's soft, kind of soft. More or less, I don't know. I don't know if it's up or if it's down. I don't think so. I don't know. It's an okay, but sweating, I'm sweating. So the product is good. The product is very good. I'm not happy with my hair though, but if you don't know this product, it's good. You can wear it with your hair wet. You can wear it with your hair dry. And I just put a little bit like this, here, like that, like this, and like that. So I guess my frizz is going away. I want my frizz to go. I want my frizz to go away. I don't know. These are the perils of a tropical country. It's not good for your hair, but this is good. This is good. So, hope you enjoyed how to get my hair fixed. So today's shopping day, and I might take it to the mall. Let's see.